Do you think generative AI will replace creative professionals?
Hmm. Yeah, that's the good question. And if, as my understanding or experience, what I see working with generative AIs, so yeah, initially, whenever the new technology comes, this fear will come whether the professional would be replaced by the new technologies or not. Uh, Initially, it will take also some time to adapt the things and to generate the new jobs out of it. These technologies, so that's where completely I would not say that it will be replaced. uh, of course, it's starting. Yeah, you will see that most of the repetitive task we used to do, or professions, for example, doing the notes, or who is doing the scheduling the things, we have some professions and they were performing. But now with the generative AI and AI comes, those tasks are performed by AI, and you don't require those professions or those persons in place. So, but with the AI now, the next jobs you see it as prompt engineers, or how effectively this AI can be used, and optimized way you will produce the output. Then such kind of new jobs would be created, but it will take time. So of course, new technology comes, so that fear will come, like whether this will erase some professions and some of the jobs. But I would say we have to still wait and watch how it goes. I believe it should generate new jobs and new opportunity, and that's how the technologies should grow. The thing is, it is not very new, as we discussed in earlier also. It started 1950s back, but suddenly now the technology emerged, and most of the things gradually was developed, and now at this point, it suddenly we see that it is replacing many things or doing automatic things very easily, and it came very fast. So that's why. It's difficult also to just judge that it will uh, just erase the jobs or uh, replace the human. I will say still it will take time, and we have to wait and watch.